Hello, our lovely learners. Warm welcome to you today. My name is Julia and this is English with Bysermo. In this video, we are going to tell about how to form negative sentences in present simple tense. Let's get started and learn about this together. As we remember from previous video on present simple, positive or affirmative sentences are formed using the subject and the verb, and we can add some supportive elements like adverbs. For example, I always cook, or I cook every day. To form a negative sentence, we need to use an auxiliary verb, which are do or does. These verbs are very important. They help to build negative sentences. How do we form it? We put do after the subject and add not. And after that, we put a verb. For example, I do not cook every day. It is quite common to use a short version or contraction of this form. Do not is the same as don't. For example, I don't cook every day. We put do not or don't when we use I, we, you, or they. I don't work on Sundays. We don't play every day. We don't watch TV in the evening. They don't cook lunch. If in our sentences we use adverbs, we put don't after the subject and before the main verb. For example, I don't always cook breakfast. You don't usually get up early. But of course, we don't forget about pronouns he, she, and it. Let's remember, when we form positive sentences, we add s or es at the end of the verb. For example, he swims in the evening. She cooks every day. It rains in the afternoon. So, to build a negative form, we use another auxiliary verb, does. We put does after the subject and add not. And after that, we put a verb. For example, he does not swim. It is quite common to use a short version or contraction of this form. Does not is the same as doesn't. He doesn't swim in the evening. She doesn't cook every day. It doesn't rain every day. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you again and hope to see you in the next video on forming questions. Good day. Bye.